Hello guys, and welcome back to the latest video of an all-rounder. And today we are going to learn. Finally, I was about to make this video from quite a lot of time, but finally today we are going to do it. We are going to fly. You see the beautiful wings that we have, so we are going to fly with them. Fine. So the tutorial is specifically for MCPE because everyone know to fly in Java edition, obviously. So this tutorial is specifically for MCPE, right? So basics first of all. Alright, so first of all, put your elytra. Yes, that's really important thing. Now if you will triple tap on the jump button, the elytra will activate. Like we are over here, so elytra will activate only for a very short period of time every time you triple press the jump button. Fine, you can see that, and that is what is the important part when it comes to flying. So fine, let's switch to first person because I'm used to flying first person. Fine. So for example, first of all is how you have to glide. So we have triple touch control. You have to keep your hand on one of your thumb on the front arrow. You have to triple tap this and keep it pressed, means you have to triple press it and then just don't remove your thumb from there, else you're going to fall. So this fine. And then for the rockets, we will do the rocket part later. Alright, so firstly let's just glide. If we do this triple tap, you see we are just gliding slowly. And now use your upper finger to change the direction of where you have to go. Fine. So for example, I just landed over here, right? This is how you glide, kind of. And gliding is a really nice feature because sometimes you're on high places, rather than coming all the way down and then just walking around, you can just glide back to your base. Like I am making a iron golem farm over there. If you can see it, I'm trying to come out with a new design because all the designs that I saw for MCPE are actually not working. And we have a iron golem farm over here which is indeed working, I guess. Let's just go and check it for a minute. So let's glide. Nope. Yep, I just pressed it 2 times. Sorry about that. So now we will have to actually go from here. Fine. Firstly let's check if there is any iron in our iron golem farm, because I've turned off the volume and I don't know if the golems are actually dying over here. Well, let's get rid of the poppies. 28 iron, guys. Finally we have a nice iron farm which is just constant. So guys, now about launching. How to launch yourself into air from ground. So this, that, and then you have to just press on the screen and you will have yourself launched up in the air. Don't just remove your hand from. Fine, nice landing, honestly. So now for example, you are stuck over here and you want to go. Is there yes, that's for sure a skeleton horse, and if I can get him then I would love to. Let's go down for a minute. Let's go here. Let's eat in our way. Let's take one of these leaves, I mean. Then let's just go over there and let's try to grab ourselves one of these guys. Fine, where was he? I think he was somewhere around here. Yes, here. What just happened? This is an actually amazing thing. Let's get rid of the skeletons from the horses. It will be amazing. We don't want to kill these guys. They are so damn cute. So we need to do this and smack him. Amazing. Let's lead this boy and let's try to take him. But what just happened was actually amazing. We just saw he got converted into 4 and then the lightning just fall on him. He got converted into 4 with the skeletons on his top. Guys, that thing was actually amazing. At least it was amazing to see whatsoever. So guys, I think you would have understood how to fly. What is the tyrant golem doing? How the tyrant golem came over here and get out of here. And as you can see, we are in this beautiful weather where our riptide enchantment will work, so we can use that to propel ourselves through the air, which is another awesome stuff. So let's just grab ourselves our trident. Fine, let's do that. Keep that. Which one is the riptide? This is the loyalty and this is the riptide. Let's just grab our riptide. Fine, let's do that. Again, be in the position. So if you will do this, oops, fine, at least we didn't got hurt. You see, finally we are up in the air and we are gliding around with our beautiful let's go up. Fine guys, can you even imagine this? This is like so damn nice. Flying around with tridents, amazing. I think this is the fastest way to travel in Minecraft, except from the portals, because portals are a very different kind of story. So as you guys can see, we are learning to fly using a trident also. Let's land. So I'm actually confused at how the iron golem fall out. I am trying to work on this new strategy kind of thing, which is obviously made by me and not by anyone else. Oops, fine. Flying with tridents, not the easiest thing, honestly. It's just is honestly a tough thing. Come on. Oh dude, that was like amazing. We just came through that. Oops, I think I destroyed some of my crops, didn't I? Finally in the air. Dude, this thing is so amazing and overpowered, honestly. And yes, we have to light this. Now we are on the top, so let's just do that. Let's light this. And I think it is not exactly the safest thing to stand out in the lightnings. So guys, don't try this if you are not having wonderfully amazing powerful armor. and a totem of undying in your hand, obviously. And yeah, as a tip, this reminds me of a tip that I should have given you earlier. Just always have yourself a totem of undying when you are up flying. Fine, because totems of undying are the only thing that can protect you if you get smacked really hard on something kind of stuff. If that happens with you, you are dead. And depending on where you die, it is even possible to lose whatever you have, especially the most important thing, that is your riptide armor, your riptide trident, and your armor also, just in case. You guys can obviously understand how that works. Let's grab that. Pop. Let's keep the elytra here. Let's keep these over here. Fine, let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that, and this punch 1 power 2 bow. Fine, let's just keep it up in the bow section, which should be right, this one. Yep, I'm starting to remember these things. So now we have finally, I think, completed this thing overall. The castle, only the roof is left. I have to do something with the roof, obviously, because you guys can understand my feelings. We have to do that work in a while. But now I also have to figure out what exactly happened to my iron golem farm, and just to get rid of the iron golem which is currently over there, I need to grab this. Come on. Let's keep that one back. Let's sleep. So now, yes guys, and for flying, obviously you will have to do a lot of practice, and the step by step, the complete tutorial for the thing, the iron golem farm that I'm working on, will come sooner or later. It will come, obviously, but for now I am trying to find out what exactly is happening over here. While the guy dies, I will chill and pop. He's dead. This was actually working fine, and I had lots of expectations from this thing, and all of a sudden I am seeing that something bad is happening. I think we can get rid of these blocks to prevent iron golem from spawning over here. I don't know exactly how can they means spawn on these blocks, but anyhow iron golem did spawn over here, which is enough for no! Oh, come on dude, I should not do such things. So no iron whatsoever in this side. Maybe we would have some over there if it worked at all before the golem escaped, because the worst part about these farms is if a single golem comes out of the farm, the farm will actually stop producing more golems, first thing, and the second thing, just miscalculated this a little bit, I guess. These two are not exactly what we would say symmetrical. There is one block distance between them, which has just ruined everything that I have made, the look of it, and I cannot obviously just steer that back and make it from the starting whatsoever. And then this is also here, I don't know why. Here, that's well, everything looks fine in this farm. It looks amazing. It is nice to see iron golems falling from the kind of pipes that we have made over here. but the only problem is that there are not enough iron golems, generally not enough iron golems around to fall through this thing. I just want to replace this wall with glass, I guess, so it looks much better. Oh, there is another iron golem. Amazing. Let's see what he will give us. 5 iron ingots. Amazing. Nice, I mean. Now let's just do one thing. Let's stay here for just a minute to see another iron golem falling inside this thing, if it will right now. Actually, it looks a little weird and amazing at the same time. We are going to do the step-by-step build maybe, or maybe I will just show you because it is really simple, honestly. If any player has played MCPE before, he would know the mechanism, which is a little weird, but basically the mechanism is that you must have 10 villagers that have the access to their beds and have the access to their workstations whatsoever, and 21 beds must be the minimum total beds that must be present. Let's seal this off because I don't think we need that access. Come on, jump out of there. So let's just wait for iron golem to actually spawn in and die, just in case. It is actually, the farms work really slowly in MCPE. All of the iron golem farms, even the one at my base, works very slowly, even if it has 21 villagers or above, which makes it, I think, a double farm kind of something that should produce more golems per whatever is the time. But yeah, you can see no golem till now. It is very slow process, I mean, not very slowly. So guys, I think that was all for this video. Today we learned how to fly in MCPE, which is a little tough thing. So we have a triple finger touch system to fly in MCPE. Basically, one thumb to the direction, one thumb to the jump, which activates your elytra and keeps it activated throughout the duration of your flight. And finally you will have one touch for finally you will have one touch for your rockets and changing the direction of your flight. So yes, that's all nice. Now I think this farm should work in the background if we keep doing other things, like whatever we will do the next. Not actually sure about that, what we have to do next. Yeah, just in case you don't know, obviously you don't know, we have started to farm something known as ice, but it's little weird where it is. I just kept it and now I cannot find it. Like freaking, yes, it should be here. Yeah, so we have started farming ice. Ice is actually a tough thing to get by the regular methods, and I don't know how exactly to farm it, but yes, we are going to work on that also in the future, so we can have a super fast mode of transport. And yes, currently I have to go to tear down the jungle at least, so that we can get enough wood for our upcoming projects, whatever they will be. So guys, thanks for watching this video of an all-rounder, and hopefully you would have liked it and you would have learned obviously how to fly in MCPE. Again, like I always say, it is a very tough thing. I see people flying in different editions. There's a golem that just fall. Looks really amazing, especially if you can make these tubes. You can make these tubes as high as you want for looks, honestly, and it looks amazing. So 10 over here and nothing over here. So guys, as I was saying, thanks for watching the video. See you all later in the next video. Bye, take care, and sayonara.